Alright, today I have the Striking Viking beard comb. Right here it is collapsible, fold it up, put it in the pocket. Now this Striking Viking is a well-known brand. I'm looking at this comb, well structured wooden comb, and it has a slight scent to it, very fresh and refreshing. I'm not sure if it's the type of wood that they use, but it smells great. Now, if you can look at this, the comb, it's all wooden. You can see that the wooden spikes in here for combing. Not too sharp, so it won't necessarily poke you while you're using this, but you simply glide through your beard in order to give you nice strokes on your beard when combing it out. Now, it comes with a screw latch right here, which can be tightened if it becomes loose, and I typically think that I can use my hand just to tighten it, but it is a screw if you need that extra grip for screwing it in to making it tighter. Now, it completely folds out like that to comb, and perhaps to pick. And when you're done, just simply clean it by going like this, folding it back, and putting it in your pocket. This can actually be carried in your pocket because it collapses and it fits in. And when you're ready to pull it out, you just slap it back like that and comb it very conveniently. And when you're done, just simply put it back in its case and put it away. So this is the Striking Viking beard comb. Or perhaps you can use this on your head if you have hair that resembles a beard, or just hair in general. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.